Yeah, good morning, you guys. Currently, 4 cities in Jackson County have a rental inspection program in place of some sort, one of those being Grandview, which we've highlighted in our previous coverage. I walked around with the city inspector to go through a rental unit, see how this is maintaining the quality of that property and how it benefits all involved. Keith Kimber has been a Grandview building inspector for 3 years. His job is to check rental properties high and low for code violations before a new tenant moves in.
But I come across units like this almost on a daily, and some of the minor things that we've just witnessed, they are quickly corrected, and then they get back with me and we take care.
Grandview's rental inspection program has been in place since 2019. Here's how it works. Landlords pay to register their units with the city. Every time there's a vacancy, the city does an inspection. Or a tenant can ask the city to do an emergency inspection. With around half of Grandview residents being renters, the city sees this as a positive program.
We're able to make sure that all rental properties are being inspected, and that way it gives a peace of mind for renters when they're moving in to know that that there are not going to be any health or safety issues that they're going to be dealing with when they move in.
The Jackson County Public Health Department released a study about rental inspection programs benefiting the overall health and wellness of a community. Currently, Grandview, Buckner, Sugar Creek, and Raytown are the only cities with a program in place. The health department wants more cities like Blue Springs and Lee Summit to take note. Implementing a similar program there would cover a total of 83% of all rentals in eastern Jackson County. Kimber says he does 40 to 50 units a week, and having this program has allowed him to grow relationships with the landlords and tenants while also holding them accountable.
By me having a good working relationship with the contractor and the management, we can quickly get it resolved if there is a tenant complaint.
With 29% of eastern Jackson County being renters, the health department wants to ensure there's safe, adequate housing available. So I requested the city of Grandview to pull some numbers for me. In 2021, they did about 400 or so rental inspections. In 2023, Kimber did more than 930 rental inspections. And he did write a couple things up for the unit that you saw in that video. One of those being that the smoke detectors need to be interconnected and nothing can be stored in the utility room like you saw in that video. Back to you guys.
So those sound like relatively simple fixes there, Claire. When those are done, when the reports come out, the landlord has to just handle all that pretty quickly. How does that work? What's the next step?
Yeah, so that kind of ties in with what Kimber was saying, where he has this good working relationship with these landlords. He knew the one that we were inspecting the unit for, so he takes a picture of the things that he's writing up, puts that in a report, sends it to the landlord. Once the landlord says he's fixed those, then Kimber will go back in, re-inspect that unit before he clears it for a new tenant.
All right, Claire Bradshaw live for us this morning. Claire, thank you very much.